The former governor of Imo State, Mr. Emeka Ihedioha, on Sunday visited the incumbent governor of Abia State, Mr. Otti. During his private visit, Ihedioha, the former deputy speaker of the House of Representatives, received a warm welcome from his host. Our correspondent quoted a source from the government house as having disclosed that the two leaders later engaged in a closed-door meeting. Mr. Emeka Ihedioha is making move ahead of 2027 because he wants to run the gubernatorial flag through the Labour Party in Imo State at the end of the tenure of Mr. Hope Uzodinma, the incumbent governor of Imo State. This happened just 3 weeks ago or thereabout when Ihedioha tendered his resignation from the People's Democratic Party, where people have believed in him that he is the hope of the PDP in the southeast. At this moment, the People's Democratic Party are not very happy with the move by Ihedioha because they were hoping that he will help them to convert vote comes 2027.